Kulāvakasutta, Samhita Nikaya 11.6, Bird Nests. At Savatthi, once upon a time, mendicants, a battle was fought between the gods and the Titans. In that battle, the Titans won and the gods lost. Defeated, the gods fled north with the Titans in pursuit. Then Sakka, Lord of Gods, addressed his charioteer Matali in verse. Matali, don't ram the bird nests in the red silk cotton woods with your chariot pole. I'd rather give up our lives to the Titans than deprive these birds of their nests. Yes, Lord, replied Matali, and he turned the chariot back around with its team of 1,000 thoroughbreds. Then the Titans thought, now Sakka's chariot has turned back. The Titans will have to fight the gods a second time. Terrified, they retreated right away to the citadel of the Titans. And that's how Sakka came to win victory by principle. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.